how to join a Terraria server. So you cannot just blindly guess server names, so you strictly need the correct connection details. And there are only two common ways to do this. So the first method is joining a friend through Steam, which is the absolute easiest way. So open your Steam overlay by pressing Shift and Tab on your keyboard. And if you want to join a friend, they must have their Terraria world open first. Then right click on them. So let's say this friend is playing Terraria, right click on them. And there should be an option right there to join their game. So it should say join game. So you just basically need to select that and type the password if they set one, and you will load straight in. And the second method is joining a dedicated public server. So from the main menu, so I'm just going to the menu right here, click multiplayer, then select join via IP. So as you can see, there's also the option of joining via Steam right here, where if you click on it, it will just open the Steam overlay, which is what we did earlier. So moving on, for the second method, select the join via IP, pick your character, then manually type in the exact server IP address and the specific port number, which will be provided by the host or your friend, and the default port is almost always 7777, so just like that. And if the server is modded using Tmod Loader, which I use right now, you absolutely cannot join it using the standard vanilla Terraria client. So you must strictly launch the exact same Tmod Loader version as the server, or your connection will instantly fail. And that is how you basically join a server in Terraria.